friend was not feeling well, and I decided to meet him. And because what do you call yourself as friends if you cannot meet them when they need you, right? So, my friend, he's from Mexico, spot name is Mexican Restaurants, and he's gonna come after 1 hour. I'm just early here because I dropped my baby and I thought there's no point going back home. So, this is such a beautiful place, guys. This is so good. I'm gonna eat some chips and salsa. Oh, for a while. Lights. Okay. There are chips and salsa. Oh. As you know, I never waste my time. I'm gonna work on my business today. I need a Wi-Fi. You wanna see the restaurant? Let me show you. Let me show you. Isn't it so pretty? You saw? It was so pretty. I just did not want to go over there to show everybody's faces. That's why. Okay. So let's study. Study or work, whatever you guys want to call. I always try to choose the seat where I have privacy for myself and I can talk loud when my friends come over. Something. Is that just me or everybody's like that? Let me connect my Wi-Fi, guys. I asked them what kind of sauces they had and they told me that this one is the hottest one. And I took that and oh my god, I think it's really hot. I can't handle it. Okay. I love to work in the cafes, guys. When I was in India, even there, I was always in the cafes, studying, learning. One thing I realized that I love to study and I love to learn. I hate exams, okay? I hate the competition. I hate the exams. No, I'm the person who can study for so long and still beat. If you think you are good at something and if you dedicate yourself, like, okay, this is what it is, and you have the strategies, you can be what you want. Oh, I need to connect my WhatsApp, so I need to use my phone again. I have watched movies alone, guys. When I used to be in Pune, I used to be there and I used to go to watch movies alone because I thought if I go with someone, I have to waste my time. After a movie, there's gonna be another plan and another plan. So I always wanted to be watching the movie alone, and my friend used to say, why didn't you tell me? And I was like, I just thought I should watch the movie. And truly, I used to just make plans in a way, like while I'm driving, I see the theater and I'm like, what time is the show? Let's go. And you know, my best friend that time was my scooty, my Dio. That the like the vehicle that I was driving, that was my best friend. Like, I used to think like she's always there with me, and she was wherever I'm going, whatever, even I'm shopping, even if I'm working, wherever I'm going, I'm never alone because my bike is always with me. Such amazing friends. That's what it is, guys. When you have friends, you have to be good friend to have good friends. If you think that you don't have any friends, it's because you're not a good friend. What can I help you with? Tell me. Like, is there anything like you need any suggestions? I love to do this. I love studying and having knowledge. If I'm working on something, I'm gonna talk about something. I love to get knowledge of those things. I really like to be always a pro in what I'm doing. That's the good quality of me too. My laptop is just so amazing. It just solves all the purpose because I was just thinking it's too far and now it's just so close because I can fold it